Welcome back to my channel. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is the epitome of luxury and power, designed for those who demand more space, performance, and advanced technology. As an extended version of the standard Escalade, the ESV offers increased cargo capacity and enhanced passenger comfort without compromising the bold styling and road presence that the Escalade is known for. Under the hood, the Escalade ESV boasts a robust 6.2-liter V8 engine, producing an impressive 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring seamless acceleration and efficiency. For those seeking even greater performance, Cadillac offers a 3.0-liter Duramax Turbo-Diesel engine, which enhances fuel efficiency while still delivering substantial torque. One of the standout features of the Escalade ESV is its cutting-edge technology. The vehicle is equipped with a 38-inch curved OLED display, offering crystal-clear resolution and an intuitive interface. This system integrates navigation, entertainment, and driver assistance features, ensuring a seamless driving experience. Additionally, the Super Cruise hands-free driving system allows for semi-autonomous highway driving, making long road trips more relaxing. Comfort and luxury are at the forefront of the Escalade ESV's design. The spacious cabin is adorned with premium materials, including hand-finished leather, wood trim, and ambient lighting. With 3 rows of seating, passengers in every row can enjoy generous legroom and first-class comfort. The available AKG Studio reference sound system, with 36 speakers, provides an immersive audio experience that rivals concert halls. In terms of practicality, the Escalade ESV excels with an extended wheelbase that offers significantly more cargo space than the standard model. Whether transporting luggage, equipment, or groceries, the ESV ensures that space is never an issue. Additionally, the power-folding third-row seats make it easy to configure the interior for different needs. Safety is another area where the Escalade ESV shines. Cadillac has equipped this SUV with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies provide peace of mind, making every drive secure and effortless. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a statement of luxury, power, and innovation. With its commanding presence, cutting-edge technology, and spacious interior, it remains one of the most desirable full-size luxury SUVs on the market. Whether for family road trips, executive travel, or simply making a bold impression, the Escalade ESV delivers an unparalleled driving experience.